Long time no see. Welcome back, YouTube. Basically, me and Andy, we're going to get a brand new car today. Well, brand new to me. We're about to go to Andy's crib, get some shit we need for the trip. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up this U-Haul trailer, and then we're gonna head out to SC to get this motherfucking car. So stay tuned to see more. A little bit of a slight delay in our plans right now because basically U-Haul is trying to tell us that we can't tow with this Ford Explorer. That's complete bullshit. So now we gotta go about 40 minutes the way we're supposed to go, but we still gotta go out of the way to get another vehicle to be able to go get this trailer or dolly or whatever they reserved for us. And yeah, it's just a whole bunch of shit, bro. And that's what always happens on trips like this. It's some bullshit. Straight bullshit. So yeah, now we're going to get that U-Haul. Hopefully. Maybe we'll be on our way today. Truck acquired. Big outside shit, you know the vibes? Bow, back like we never left because we never left. Just got the trailer on, and I'm now driving Andy's pop's truck because, well, you don't know, but you already know. But yeah, so finally en route to go get said car. Catch back up to you when we get there. Buddy who was selling the car seemed a little bit like he didn't want to be on camera and shit. But as you can see, we got the vehicle right there. Sunroof open on the trailer because gang shit, no lame shit. And when we stop and get food, we'll do a little walk around on the car. We'll show you it and whatnot. But yeah, this is the new build for the channel. So stay tuned. We just crossed the North Carolina border. We're back in the homeland, home stretch. Stay tuned. And you're about to see this thing either get done up really nice or really shot. Like it's one of the two, there's no in between. Yes sir, so you see it. 2006 Infiniti G35 sedan. Rev up, AKA oil consumer. Yeah, not a bad little whip. Not really too much fucking wrong with it, I'd say. What do you say?
I think I like it.
I don't know. The only thing is right here, no lie. There's a little scratchy scratch. But L front plate, so it's gonna need a whole new bumper anyways. And new headlights. But other than that, not too bad. Word. So over the next couple months or whatever, it shouldn't even take that long really. I'm just gonna post a new video on the channel every week of something new that we do, or maybe I'll up it to 2 videos a week, depending on how everything goes. But yeah, we are now the owners of this. Who would have thunk, bro? From Ford Focus to G35. Oh yeah, we're also stopping at McDonald's because there's a plate agency right down the road, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing on the road, literally right across the border. So, gotta grub out. Bow, just got back to the crib, dropped the car off, dropped the U-Haul trailer off. Car's got to stay at Andy's Pops for a little bit until I could get a plate on it. And then once I get the plate on it, it's up from there. Straight up, it's over with. So, we're not ending this video here because we got a lot of shit planned for today. The car was just kind of a morning to afternoon quest. But we're going to be hitting up Tent World, Wilmington, North Carolina tonight. There's gonna be a fat ass 1-year anniversary meet there. There should be hella people that y'all probably know. And yeah, hopefully we get to see some of the homies and shit. Andy's gonna be bringing his G out. Jay's gonna have his Z. Matt's gonna have his Accord. All cars you've seen in the vlogs before. On top of all the static homies in Wilmington. So there should be Drew, Zach. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see who really pops out, who doesn't. I know there's a bunch of kids from Hampstead coming, so you'll probably see Dante's whip and Joey's new Honda and aka his lean Honda because he's only got the back slammed right now. And yeah, the boys said they would give me a 60-day grace period to get this car right. So 60 days, I'm thinking 4 videos. We might be able to do more though, that's 2 months. So I don't know. We'll see. I want to get it dumped on the 19s that it's on right now. Get the fitment really good with those. And then once that's set, maybe we'll worry about wheels and shit after. But I don't want to get too ahead of myself because that's when shit starts to go left instead of going right. So stay tuned for G content. It will be coming on this channel. Pause. No Diddy. Stay tuned for tonight, bro, because this should be wild.
Late, bro. My bad.
It'll buff, brother. Oh! Oh, fuck. Just rolled up to the motherfucking Tent World meet. Oh, please be back.
Here's the shit, little buddy. Damn.
There's a whole lot of stock over here again. That was cool though. That was dope. Yo! Yo! Look at this guy. Of course you got food.
Look.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? What is that? He just got the strobes in too. What you mean, bro? More low. I just want to see this Beamer right here. Honestly, don't care about any of these cars. Ooh.
Hey. Hey.
Junction Produce, that shit's fake.
Right.
Oh, Droopy Pookie. Oh, who let this guy in the building? Who let this guy in the building?
All 4 serves on, baby.
Oh, shit.
Hey, don't look at that fender. Don't look at that fender.
This shit is nuts, bro.
I see this on the gram too.
The hard top is what does it. I like the hard top. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, his shit actually is. And the stretch is insane. Dog.
And he's running, he has to run CDF tires.
See Brassy shit? We gotta go see his shit. Molded wide body. Always a vibe. GT4? Sheesh, that's money right there.
He has a bag. You can tell by the way he dressed. Bro, I seen him, I was like, yo, that
those are Zach's wheels, I think. Oh yeah, those are Zach's Tomes. Bro, look at this shit. Look at this shit. You should see the other one, brother. I'm waiting for somebody to say something for me touching Zach's blast pipes right now.
It's right there.
Bro, that shit.
That's 50.
I just like how it's molded, bro. It doesn't look cheap.
Is this bad?
Yeah, it's back.
It's still clean, bro. Don't
Yeah.
It's clean as fuck.
Nah, this shit's definitely hard. I mobbed with him out and we mobbed with him in Charlotte.
Oh, that's him.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I remember that.
Yeah. We mobbed with him for like an hour or two.
For no reason.
Word. Hi.
I was like, what?
I just had to show Jay the bottom of your blast pipes.
Alright, I'm probably good now. So.
Alright. I just had to show Jay the bottom of your blast pipes over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
You
I
flipped
flipped it so you could see it. Everyone's
gnarly,
just
bro.
staring at me, flipping them and touching them.
Why the fuck is that even there? That's why I put it there. I didn't put it there to be like, oh, I got the coolest toolbox here. I did.
Word. No,
Put it
but
there
you
because
do.
It's like, no, I do. Fuck this guy's toolbox. You hear me, Tomas? Fuck your toolbox. Look, I put it there because I want people to look at it and be like, God fucking damn, they did it again. This time it's a fucking toolbox.
Yo.
What I do, my boy? Yes, sir.
You know the vibes, big mobs, big night mobs. We got Zach, Stock Miata, Kirby, Droopy. You see the plate, low mower. Got Matt behind us. Hey. Yeah! Boys are here. Brother. I mean.
Can you say Guyat?
Can you say Guyat? Little mid-vlog gas fill up. You know the vibes. We got basically everyone who's important right now outside except for Matt and fucking Andy. About to see how this U-turn goes.